Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe to my channel so you can stay on top of all of those new videos. I have another tea review from DaVIDStea today, and this one is called Lightning Lemon. So as per usual, before we get too into it, I want to get our tea steeping so it has plenty of time to steep. I'm using a metal basket infuser, which is my perfect way to make tea. It's my absolute favorite, so much so that I chose these as like the first product towards having a tea and teaware business of my own, hopefully one day. So if you're in need of one of these little guys, the link is always in the description box for you. Let's just scoop our tea right into that infuser and pour in our water. Wow, look at that color already. All right, and let's set this to the side and check out the loose tea and learn everything there is to learn about Lightning Lemon. This is categorized as a mate tea. I love mates because they give you like a slow, steady energy without a crash. It never gives you like caffeine jitters or anything like that. And the ingredients are apple, hibiscus blossom, black tea, coconut rasp, lemongrass, guayusa, green mate, natural pink lemonade flavoring, black tea extract, aronia berry, cornflower blossom, and stevia extract. So it does have that stevia. I know a lot of my friends here are sensitive to stevia. I, however, don't mind it, but like I wouldn't mind if they stopped putting it in things. So the smell right off the bat is kind of reminding me of DaVIDStea's electric lemonade, but a little different. So I was thinking at first that it would be really similar to that, but after reading the ingredients, I don't think it's that similar, but maybe we can compare. So here's how it looks in the spoon. I love the look of lemongrass. It's so pretty, isn't it? A lot of colors in this tea. And here's how it looks all spread out on the plate. Let's see which ingredients we can spot. The apple, I definitely see the apple pieces. Hibiscus are these dark petals. The black tea, I definitely see it like in here, but they're really small pieces, so I don't think I could. Oh, maybe this is one. Here's a little piece of the black tea. Coconut rasp, I'm not sure what that looks like. I don't actually know what part of the coconut the rasp is. I imagine it to be the outside, but I don't know. Lemongrass. One of the first things I spotted because they're so distinct. I love the way lemongrass looks. Guayusa, one of my favorite types of tea. It's like the cousin of the mate, and it gives you like a really nice, like calm awareness. It's great for if you're studying or doing any like tedious kind of tasks. I love guayusa. Green mate, natural pink lemonade flavoring, black tea extract. So I feel like this is going to be really energizing. It has guayusa, green mate, black tea, and the black tea extract. So I feel like this is definitely something you want to drink when you need like a good kick of energy. Aronia berry, I don't know what that is, but I keep thinking of the spell from Harry Potter when there's spiders and they're like, Aranya Excavae. I keep thinking of that when I see Aronia. I know it's not Aranya. Maybe it is, I don't know. Cornflower blossom, which are these blue petals. They make every tea look so pretty. And stevia extract. So I want to go on DaVIDStea's website and check out the full description. But first I think I'm going to give this like a sniff again, just because it smells pretty good. It definitely has like a fruity vibe. It's not what I expected, to be honest. Like I didn't read the ingredients or anything. I just saw that it was a mate and that it was called Lightning Lemon. So I was thinking like maybe it would be like lemon and ginger and something I would really like. I didn't realize it's like hibiscus and like a fruity vibe, like a fruity lemonade vibe. Or else I may not have picked this one up, to be honest, but I am looking forward to trying it. So here it says sweet lemonade with a hydrating berry kick, and in the picture I think it looks pretty much on par with what I see in front of me in real life. And oh, it actually says low caffeine, which is really interesting because like I said, it sounds like there's a lot of caffeinated things in it. So it says, hello to your new main squeeze. This blend mixes refreshingly juicy lemon and hydrating aronia berries into a pink lemonade dream. Not only does it look great in a picture, the green mate and guayusa base give a clean energy boost. It's electrifying. What makes it great? Green mate and guayusa give a boost of naturally clean energy. This infusion can be served both hot and cold, as we know here, so can any tea. Whatever your preference is, you can make it like that. And it says aronia berries are said to soothe colds, often used in Native American nutrition. All right, so I kind of want to look at electric lemonade and see if they are at all similar, or if I'm just like assuming. So it's actually still here. Like they still sell electric lemonade, but it's like a last chance tea. Okay, wow, yeah, the ingredients are like extremely different. It's apple green mate, apple pumice, blackberry leaves, natural flavoring, blueberries, red currants, raspberries, and strawberries. So there really isn't anything like very like similar about this. There's been a couple times I've noticed things like that where things have been like too similar for comfort, but this is not one of those cases. Also, they had a tea called Live Wire Lemon. Maybe that's more like what I was thinking this would be like, because that one had like lemon, ginger, I think yaupan leaves. So it was still like that stimulating, energizing effect without like the traditional caffeine, but it was a different leaf. But here's how it looks in the cup. It's so red. I'm gonna take out the infuser because I don't want it to get too tart or anything. Here's how it looks. Smells pretty herby, so I like that. I love herby teas. I'm not normally crazy about hibiscus or like berry teas. Like I like citrus, but I'm not like really into anything like too tart, like anything that's like strongly hibiscusy, like I'm not really into. So I'm hoping this won't be too much. I'm hoping it's something I'll really enjoy. I only bought 2 ounces though, so even if I just make like a pitcher of iced tea, I think I could go through it pretty quickly. Okay, let's go ahead and taste it. It's pretty good. It's not it's not like as similar to electric lemonade as I imagine, because like it doesn't share many ingredients, but it's pretty different than that. It's pretty sweet. I think this is the first time I've had a tea with stevia that I like really taste the stevia. With just like the ingredients, if it didn't have the stevia, it wouldn't taste like that. Like I do get like a really strong like sweetness on like the back end of the sip. I do think it tastes good though. It's not as strong in the hibiscus as I thought it would be, so I like that. But like if I tried this, I don't think I would think of it as a lemon tea. It tastes like berry. Like if I think of this as like a pink lemonade, I don't think the lemon is strong enough to think of it that way, because pink lemonade really is just lemonade, but it's pink, if I'm correct. I don't know if I would think of this like that though. It's definitely a fun blend. And since I don't know a lot about this berry, I'm surprised like how much I taste it. But to be honest, like for all of that different stuff, like it's still low caffeine. I don't know if this definitely wouldn't be something I'd purchase again. I think iced would be the better way to go though. I feel like that lemon flavor might come through more if it's iced. It's almost like the flavors are like convoluted, like they're like mixed up. Like you don't really, I don't know, like I don't think I would know what this is like supposed to be if I just tried it. Like I don't think it's really very like carefully blended. Like I don't really know what it is meant to taste like, I guess. Or maybe like the sweetness is distracting me. It doesn't taste bad. It definitely tastes good, but it's just not, I guess, not my preference. It's called Lightning Lemon, so I was expecting it to be like mostly lemon, but I'm not really feeling that. I don't know. I guess it's not my cup of tea. If you like hibiscus, berry, lemon teas, like maybe give it a try. But if you're looking for something like with that caffeine boost, I thought this would be it, but unfortunately it's just not for me. I think between this and electric lemonade, I would still probably pick their electric lemonade. Like I wouldn't probably choose to drink this again, especially hot. I'm gonna make a pitcher of iced tea and maybe drink it like with dinner or drink it like with lunch, and maybe my husband will like it. So that's what we'll do. But I hope you and all your families are staying safe and healthy, and I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.